Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Facebook profile picture. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you are there, head over to the three lines. Head over to your account and click on the profile picture, and there will be a layout where there will be select profile picture. Click on it and just select a specific profile picture that you want to set. I'm currently choosing this one, and just go to the frame, and here you can set the frame, your desired frame, and also do it. Click on done and then tap save. Here my profile photo is currently getting updated. So yeah, this is it. This is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.